Marking the new water line. Gonna be higher so that we don't get this happening on our paint anymore.
It's gonna look a little funny because we're not redoing the bootstrap.
Yeah, we don't have enough time or that paint color.
Yeah. But at least it'll be less maintenance. Maybe one day we'll decide to redo the bootstrap.
Yeah. We've been having a problem with water, dirty water, flowing back into the toilet after you flush. So there is a joker valve, but it's set kind of at the top of it's kind of a U that happens. And there's a space, that whole hose, until the joker valve. I think that all that water is coming back into the bowl. We're seeing the bend in that hose. But I've been working at this since yesterday, just to get this one toilet off. The access panel to get the toilet off is toilet here, cabinet, sink. The access panel is on this side of the toilet. But the good news is I'm changing the joker valves in all of them, and that seems to be fixing our backflow problem. Last time I'd gone into one of the toilets, the joker valve seemed okay, but now looking at them, maybe because they've been in there a bit longer, I can see that the joker valves, the originals, are actually a little bit too big, and they're slowly deforming, which is slowly forcing the valve to stay open, which is why it's not working anymore. So putting in new ones.
Interguard, light gray.
And they apply it over top of the filler here before putting copper coat to make sure everything adheres.
Copper coat directly to copper coat, but you can't put it on top of the other stuff without a prep coat.
Right. Cool. Market day along here.
Oh mercy.
Gotta sneak through. Friday. Time to get to work. This is Wild Beach, north side of Langkawi. Decided to take a day, just a half day actually. We worked this morning.
Yeah, it's December. We basically live in the tropics, but we haven't actually gone down to the beach and swam in the water since like autumn, end of August.
August.
So it's nice.
It's been a while. It is nice. For how warm the water is. Oh my god. It's amazing. It's a Buddhist temple, but I feel like it's really the dog temple. Feed them. Kevin's been working out. Only on one side though.
Only on the left.
About half?
Yes, half.
Half? And what is that?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
buah atau
So with one set, we've done almost the interior of both hulls, one coat. So maybe we won't need our full 7 sets. That's the sign for the end of the day. So this stuff is their first layer of copper coat, which is not really awe-inspiring. I don't know. We'll see how this all turns out. So this is our replacement winch motor, but it arrived in kind of a soft packed box, and you can see this bolt here is a little bit sideways, but we're gonna try and install it today. Sorry, I'm supposed to be your helper. Okay, I pulled the motor out, and what did you call this part, Kevin?
I don't know, gear reduction motor.
Okay.
Yeah, it's basically, it changes the direction of rotation from the motor to vertically 90 degrees.
Right, because up here would be the winch. So that's not gonna work.
No. We're gonna have to
Try to straighten it.
hammer it. Actually, there are a couple of them that are damaged. Threads.
Yeah. Oh! Got one of them straight. It worked! Da, da, da.
Now that the motor's in, we have it all electrically connected. You come back up here.
Test time.
All right, ready?
Ready.
Slow.
Yee!
Medium.
Yes!
Works. That's the one that wasn't working before.
Yeah.
And super high speed.
Woohoo!
Some marsh.
Success! Job. We can cross it off the list. Whoop,
Yes,
whoop, whoop,
finally.
whoop, whoop, whoop.
Something to cross off the list.
Yeah. Life in the yard. Polished her yesterday, they're waxing her today. So I'm set up to do a little bit of polishing here. Got my gear. However, as I peek around the corner, I don't think I'll be polishing very long. We're gonna get some rain. This is a little bit frustrating. We're waiting for them to lift us up and move our stands so that they can finish sanding and preparing the bottom, applying filler, primer, copper coat, and sanding in between. We've been waiting 2 days now and it keeps getting delayed. So we were almost there. The travel lift was lining up, and then they said, oh, we need to change the straps that we have. And then, oh, well, actually we have to go do another boat first. And we're running out of time. It's Saturday. Sunday, nobody's working the yard. And then Monday, we're in the water. So I don't know when this is all going to happen. And here's our new water line. It's right up to the top of the bootstrap. And then it kind of fades out. We were worried it would look really wacky. Hoping it wouldn't. I think it's actually not too bad. I'm not gonna go here without hitting something. Kevin, what you doing over here?
Prop speed. I'm not a professional painter, as you can tell. But,
sky right now.
Really?
Ooh, we're gonna stay here until tomorrow.
Hello!
How are you guys gonna get up here?
You don't slide around like a white water.
How am I gonna get down?
No, we're heading to the bar. See ya.
Damn!
We're gonna get down.
They've decided to keep us in the sling overnight, which makes it easier for us to finish sanding and patching and all the rest without the hard stands. So we're staying actually 2 nights, just last Monday. So we're just hanging out. Kevin and Scott did a great job. They're all shiny and pretty. Now, back to the boat. So at the rate of work happening, we might have everything ready in time to splash for Monday, even though Monday is delayed a bit, like is a delay from our original plan. Hopefully our mainsail, this is our spare mainsail, is supposed to arrive tomorrow. And it's flown around a little bit, and it's gonna take a ferry ride, and hopefully on a truck tomorrow. We'll see where we'll put it. I'm not sure yet. Let's get back, guys. We've basically taken over the yard. Last day in the yard today. We're going to start putting our lines out again and then put some sails up. Here go the postcards. Oop. Oop. What do we got? Mainsail.
I think that's the mainsail. This is bigger.
And a jib.
That's got to be the jib lighter.
Woohoo! Everything is assembled. We can leave tomorrow morning. It's great.
Ready to leave.
That's Kamara with Captain Charlie, who we met in Lombok. And they're coming tonight. Maybe we'll hang out. Say hi. Be nice. We already had a beer under the boat with Charlie the other day. But things are shaping up really nicely for tomorrow morning departure on time. I mean, mostly on time.
Saya sudah susah nak keras, tak tahan lama, cepat lembik. Korang mesti
We're on the move! Good morning.
How exciting.
Yeah, ready to go.
Very graceful. I have 2 engines.
Bye.
Love cats.
Yeah. Good job, Kevin. Now for some fuel. Goodbye, fuel barge. And goodbye, Langkawi. I guess I haven't properly introduced him, but we have somebody sailing with us right now.
Yeah.
We've got Scott from Canada, Sailing Beard.
Yeah, has his own YouTube channel.
He does.
Sailing Beard.
Yeah, we'll put the link.
Or The Sailing Beard.
Yes, I think so. And he joined us in Langkawi to sail with us to Phuket. So that's what we're doing.